Saknairava film actor Allu Arjun ngasi belda thaduraklaba matung mahakna tha asigi marida Hyderabad ki cinema hall amada mahaki feature film Puspa 2 screening tawbada yamlaba miyamna cinema hall aduda thomjinduna mi masel net khainabagi thaudokta nupi ama sikhiba amadi angang ama sokhibaga mari leinana Allu Arjun gi mathakta thangalakiba case asigi investigation da mahakna law abiding citizen ama Oina Mateng Pangani Haikhre panbayai saknairava actor Allu Arjun amadi mahaki imung manunga loinana tha asigi marida Hyderabad ki cinema hall amada mahakna main role lauriba Puspa 2 film asi yengba lakhibaga loinana yamlaba miyam amasu cinema hall aduda thomjinduna net khainabagi thodok thokpa matamda nupi ama sikhibaga loinana angang amasu aso apan nangki tungda thodok aduda laikhidrabi nupi adugi mapuroibana police da FIR ama file tarokhibaga loinana Allu Arjun police na faduna Hyderabad ki Chanchal Guda jail da ngarang ahing detain tawduna thamki tungda mahak bail order hek fangbaga jail asidagi thoraklaba matung media singi interview da mahakna phongdokhibada mahaki film singbu thagatpaga loinana nesin nakhiba thodok aduda laikhidrabi nupi adugidamak condolence story amadi imung manunggi awabada saruk yari amadi mahakna angamba mateng pangani haina phongdokhi Amaromda police da Allu Arjun gi mathakta thangalakhiba FIR case adu laikhidrabi nupi adugi nupana Allu Arjun farba matung police station dagi handokhi hairi.
Namaste. Thank you. I'd like to thank everybody from all over for all your love and support. Thank you so much. I'm genuinely touched by everybody's love from all over the country and everywhere, from all the industries, all the people, all the states. Thank you so much for all the love, and especially my fans. Thank you, Andy. Thank you. I love you, my fans. Thank you so much for your unconditional love and support. And of course, I cannot finish it without saying the thanks to the media. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank the entire media for all your love and support. Thank you, Ante. I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you.
Sir, me arrest with the conference here now, sir. Me arrest with the conference.
Anything else?
Sir, do you feel you were targeted? This is a fabricated case booked against you. Do you feel you were made a target?
Thank you. I just wanted to say.
The emotions that you have gone through in your family as well.
Allu Arjun garu వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీకి ఏం చెప్తారు చనిపోయిన కుటుంబానికి ఏం చెప్తారు
నేను ఒకటే చెప్తానండి once again we are extremely sorry for the family and I will personally be there to support them in whatever way possible. It's purely accidental. Cinema theatre I'm inside a cinema theatre watching a film with my family and an accident happened outside I was inside a theatre watching a movie with my family and the accident happened outside. It's purely of no direct connection to me. It's purely accidental, purely unintentional, and my love and sympathies are genuinely there with that family, and I'll be there I'll be there to support them in whatever way possible. And I've been coming to the same theatre for the last. I've been coming to the same theatre for the last 20 years, and I've been to the same place more than 30 times, and never any accident like this happened. It is purely unfortunate accident, and we're extremely sorry for the accident that has happened, which is totally out of our control.
And Telugu goda procedure every time that you have informed the police.
I don't want to get into all the details. This is what it is because as the case is on, I should not speak anything that will tamper the case. So I'd like to reserve my comments. Yes, of course, family kalustaniki wait chestunam. Yes, ante. Thank you. Andarki thank you andi. Marosari thank you for the media love and support. Thank you andi. Thank you so much.
Saying that you have been arrested illegally. You have been kept intentionally inside.